Welcome to the ultimate foldable showdown. Today, we pit the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold against the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Who nails the display experience with its trifold versus foldable design? Which powerhouse chipset delivers the smoothest performance? Can the camera systems compete when it comes to resolution and zoom? And what about those unique features? Does Samsung's multi-window multitasking beat Google's AI-powered tools? Plus, battery life and selfie cams. Who truly wins the foldable crown? Stick around, because by the end, we'll ask the question everyone's dying to know. Is the trifold future or just a gimmick? The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold stuns with a massive 10-inch trifoldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display offering 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1600 nits, plus a secondary 6.5-inch screen with 2600 nits peak brightness, perfect for multitasking and vibrant visuals. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold sports a slightly smaller 8-inch foldable LTPO OLED, but boasts an incredible peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it unbeatable in direct sunlight. The trifold design of Samsung delivers an expansive canvas, but Google's superior brightness ensures visibility in any lighting. Two different approaches to foldable brilliance. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with blazing octa-core CPU speeds up to 4.47 GHz and an Adreno 830 GPU, making it a beast for gaming and multitasking. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold runs on Google's Tensor G5, which excels in AI and machine learning tasks but clocks lower CPU speeds. If raw power and graphics performance top your list, the Z TriFold takes the lead here. Samsung impresses with wireless Samsung DeX for desktop experience, an advanced armor aluminum frame for durability, and tri-window multitasking that maximizes productivity on its large display. Google counters with Titan M2 Security coprocessor for enhanced safety, ultra-wideband support for precise device tracking, and satellite SOS service for emergencies, highlighting its focus on security and connectivity. Two different philosophies. Samsung pushes multitasking and toughness. Google prioritizes security and smart features. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold packs a staggering 200MP main sensor with OIS and multi-directional PDAF, plus a 3x optical zoom telephoto lens, enabling ultra-detailed shots and versatile zoom. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold features a 48MP main camera with 5x optical zoom, emphasizing zoom range and computational photography. Samsung's sheer megapixel count promises incredible detail, but Google's zoom capabilities and AI might deliver more practical results in everyday shooting. Both devices sport a 10p front camera with f2.2 aperture, but Samsung offers an ultra-wide 18mm lens on the main selfie cam and a cover camera for versatility, while Google sticks to a standard wide 23mm lens. Samsung's ultra-wide selfie lens gives more creative freedom for group shots and wider angles. Samsung's adaptive pixel sensor and AI super resolution, combined with 3x optical zoom and dual front-facing cameras, provide a rich photography toolkit. Google counters with AI Zoom Enhance, AI Best Take, and Tabletop Mode, making it a smart photographer's dream with instant AI assistance. Samsung focuses on hardware prowess, Google on AI-enhanced shooting experiences. Samsung's Galaxy Z TriFold carries a larger 5600 mAh battery, compared to Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold's 5015 mAh, promising longer usage especially with its bigger display and multitasking demands. Battery capacity here could be the deal breaker for power users who demand all-day foldable performance.